Students, today we will study about number systems and their types. So, I have written here number system. So, number system, it is the method of representing any number. It is the method of representing any number. Basically, they are of four types. So number one is decimal number system. Decimal number system. So in this number system, we use the numbers which starts from 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they are 10. These numbers are in quantity 10. So the base is 10. For example, if we write 1, 2, 3. So out of the box, base will be written as 10. And the second is binary number system. Basically, in this number system, 0 and 1 is being used. These number systems are being used by the computers and clocks. So 0 stands for no voltage. 0 stands for no voltage and no electricity. And 1 stands for electricity, presence of electricity. And the third one is octal number system. Octal number system. So the numbers are being used in the octal number system are starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the total numbers are 8. So base is 8. Okay. So for example, if we take 1, 2, 3. So the base is 8 in this number. And the fourth one is hexadecimal number system. So in this number system, we use numbers and alphabets. These hexadecimal number are used to display the error. Is used to display the error. Okay, so the numbers which are being used from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the alphabets are being used A, B, C, D, E, and F. A stands for 10, B stands for 11, C stands for 12, D stands for 13, E stands for 14, F stands for 15. And the base are 16. So base is 16. Total numbers are 16. If we count from 0 to 9, it is 10, and from A to F, it is 16. So the total numbers are 16. So the base is 16. If we take an example, for example, if we take A, D, 6, the base will be written out of the bracket. So the base will be written here. Thank you. Hope you have understood. Thank you for watching my video.